I can't believe I'm running into you at Nordstrom's. Oh my gosh, I have to show you these pair of shoes. These are just so cute. Look at these. Aren't those adorable? Do you think I can afford this on my teacher's salary? Oh my gosh, there's my boss. Quick, let's go into the Google Drive and pretend like we're working. All right, so here we are in the folder, 8.8 handspan and height, and we just made a QR code and saved it onto our desktop. So let's start thinking about how we can let our students view this QR code so that they can scan it. For me, the easiest thing is to put a Word document in the same folder. So I'm going to go to New Doc, and I'm going to label it QR codes for 8.8. Okay, and then I'm going to make a table because sometimes it just works out easier for me. And I'm going to put, what was this for again? Yeah, the hand span and height. And then I'm going to go in here, and then I'm going to put insert image. It says drag an image here, so I'm going to drag it. And it fits nice and neat into that table. That's why I like to make a table as opposed to just putting it on the page, which takes up the whole page and I have to shrink it down. Okay, so now I also would like to have a URL, a short URL, so that students who don't want to scan it or they're working on a Chromebook, they can just type in the shortened URL. So I'm going to go back to my folder, and there's my document that I just created with the QR code. But now I'm going to click on the form. Now, is this the website? Is this the URL that I want to copy? Nope, because this is the editable version. If I gave this to them, they can go in there and change all this. And we had talked about that earlier. So I need to go to View Live Form. Okay, see, it says View Form. So I'm going to Command C to copy that. And then let's get out of this Nordstrom website before my boss comes back again. And I'm going to put Google short URL because I don't remember the exact website. There it is, Google URL shortener. And then I'm going to paste Command V, and notice again it says view form. That's how I know I got the right one and it's not the editable form. I'm going to say shorten the URL. Beautiful. So I'm going to say Command, it's already been highlighted for me, so I'm going to say Command C to copy it. I'm going to go back to my QR code Google Doc, and I'm going to put that in there and make it much bigger so that when I project it onto my screen, students can see it. Maybe that's a little bit too big. I'd like it to be one line. And there you have it. So when you're ready to use the form, you can display this on your screen through your projector or your Apple TV, and students can scan or put in the shortened URL code and start entering their data. Thanks for listening.